Today we will have a small journey to the solar system, to our planets. Tim and Helen are very excited. Their mother has just finished redecorating their bedroom with a space theme. It's the children's first night sleeping in their rocket-bound beds under glow-in-the-dark planets and stars. As they snuggle under the duvets, the bed starts to make a strange rumbling sound. Then there's an incredible whoosh and a flash of a fiery light. "We have a blast-off!" cries Helen. "Wow!" shouts Tim. "Earth looks so beautiful from here." "I think that's Mars ahead," says Helen. She's right. Their rocket is orbiting the red planet. The cold, rocky surface rises into towering peaks and plunging into deep canyons, all covered in a thick layer of rusty soil. "Is Mars our nearest neighbor?" asks Helen. "No," replies Tim. "Venus and Mercury are closer to the Earth." "Oh, let's go and say hello," says Helen, steering the rocket in a new direction. The brave explorers journey on through the eerie darkness before landing on Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. Under thick yellow clouds, there are more than 2,000 volcanoes on its surface. Now, even near the sun, Tim and Helen land on a tiny planet dented by hundreds of craters. "This is Mercury," says Helen. "Mercury might be small, but it is also speedy. It goes around the sun 4 times more quickly than Earth. Let's go deep into space," says Helen. Helen and Tim travel through the asteroid belt, which is a necklace of icy rock beyond Mars that orbit the sun. Some asteroids are huge, more than 100 miles across, and some are no bigger than a grain of sand. "I hope our rocket doesn't hit bumps as we pass," giggles Tim. "We made it," says Helen. "Now we need to look out of Jupiter." Soon they are greeted by the majestic sight of the giant gassy planet that's twice as massive as all the other planets in the solar system together. The marble strips of cloud circling Jupiter's amber surface are made from frozen crystals that reflect the lights from the sun. "There's the great red spot," says Helen. "It's a storm that has been raging for hundreds of years." Appearing like a shimmering spring topping the vastness of space, Saturn wears a belt of 7 beautiful rings around its equator. Each ring is made up of many, many wrinkles. "I love the bright rings. It's a hula hoop planet," says Tim. "We are very close to the next planet now," says Helen. The rocket gives them an amazing view of Uranus, a big blue-green ball of gas. Its blue-green shade comes from the methane in the atmosphere that absorbs the sun's red light and scatters blue lights back to our eyes. "There's only one more planet for us to see," says Tim. "Neptune. Neptune is such a long way from the sun that it takes 165 years to make just one orbit. A shadowy, lonely planet, it is on the farthest reaches of the solar system, but at least it has 14 moons for a company." "We have been on an incredible space journey," says Helen, "but I think it's time now to go home." The space travelers are back in their room just before their mom comes in to open the curtains. "Good morning, darlings," she says. "How was your first night in your astronomical bedroom?" "Out of the world, Mom," replied Tim and Helen with a twinkle in their eyes.